Isiko ya Kenya ni ABARAI KORWA sense ya Kenya gati yabo murayo mukuru Bwense ya Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta hamwe n'umukonyi b'umurayi Bwense Kithure Kindiki bakore taro yabo wika ase ense ya Uganda asoko ba KIRORI Ogotianigwa Kw'Omorai Bwense yo kolende asense moyaye Yoweri Museveni nigo alira yo gukora koreri gotia ase abananchi bense ya Uganda korengana ni katiba yense yo.
Yoweri kaguta Museveni swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God. I, Yoweri kaguta Museveni, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I shall faithfully exercise the functions of the President of Uganda and shall uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution and observe the laws of Uganda, and that I shall promote the of the people of Uganda. So help me God.
Successfully taken the oath of allegiance and the oath of presidency. Signing on the respective protocols.